Hey everyone, Scott with DEWALT, and we're here at Acme Tools today looking at this 20-volt MAX Copper Swage Tool. Let's expand your knowledge. Now this tool allows you to efficiently complete soft copper expansion up to 3 times faster than a manual swedge. This unit is ideal for heating, cooling, and refrigeration applications that require brazing. It's going to give you a much more consistent swedge than a manual unit. This unit is also designed with heads that are auto-rotating, so you don't have to actually spin the unit while you're swedging. Now, if you really want to maximize your productivity, utilizing this 2 amp hour battery, you can get up to 620 swedges on one charge. Now, one of the things you'll notice when you're looking at this tool is this long body design that really makes it nice and convenient to hold on to when you're working. Another thing that's really handy here, you'll notice on the foot of the tool, you have an LED light to illuminate that work surface for you. Now, the kitted unit comes with multiple expansion heads coming in 3/8, ½ inch, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and 1 1/8. Now, to prevent cracking at some of the smaller copper sizes, the 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8 feature a 2-stage adjustable color. Stage 1 is partial expansion, stage 2 is full expansion. Let's take a look. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to check out the 20-volt MAX Copper Swage Tool. You can pick one of these up at any of Acme's 10 retail branch locations or acmetools.com.